Yes.
Yummy.
Hello. Oh gosh. In this box is a £9 McDonald's toy hamburger maker that I bought on eBay. It's well, it's definitely second-hand, but this is not my first rodeo looking at McDonald's toys and trying to make real food in them. We had the apple pie maker, which worked quite well. We recently had the McFlurry maker too, and this is my latest purchase, the McDonald's hamburger maker. There it is in all of its glorious packaging. It is definitely been bodged back together. There's like a suspect stain all running down here, like where it's sort of like been in a flood or something like that. Oh, there's a lot of dirt on it. I need to go and wash this in a minute. I'll save you that scene because I want to cook actual beef in this, which is not its purpose. It's fairly easy concept of like, you've got the winder handle, a little bit like the McFlurry maker. And then this is what will get turned around in there to churn out, in our case, beef mince. Obviously it's not supposed to be beef mince in there. In fact, I thought it was Play-Doh, but it's not. We'll come on to that in a bit. We can churn the meat onto there. It will sit on the paddle and it can then be cooked. Now, speaking of cooked, this is the bit that's supposed to represent a hot plate. See this here? On the reverse of it, look. If I just twist that a little bit. Are you ready? Up here, this hopefully will be self-explanatory. We've got two knob-looking things for a cupboard. They are ketchup and mustard plungers, and that should dress our burger, but it doesn't end there. In here, and this is the thing I still don't understand, we've actually still got a good chunk of the wrappers so that we can wrap, if we manage to pull this off. I really hope we, remember, this is not designed for beef mince. We can wrap it in proper paper. There's something else to show you, and I absolutely love this. In this drawer are 3 coins, and they're quite iconic colours for burgers, right? So if I turn this first yellow one over, have a look at this. Huh? Yes. Square shaped. This is going to be a stamper for cheese. The red one, tomato. The green one, now this one I guess could be lettuce or gherkins. It's our call on it. Probably more gherkins, but I'll see what we've got in the house. These can really enhance the burger. But here's the thing, although I think it's for Play-Doh, and maybe we'll experiment with that just a little bit just to kind of get our confidence going, it wasn't. And the recipe that was supposed to be included with this, of which when you see the box flapping everywhere, you have got like Rice Krispies mixing in to create some sort of burger. And what's being stamped there, I don't know, it looks like there should have been some extra sachets that created, you know those like Japanese kits that I've done before where you add water and it makes a jelly? It looks like they've sort of stamped them there, doesn't it? So that's all I've really got to go by. There were some very excited kids just sort of playing around with it. Oh look, and there it is on the box. We have got the apple pie maker that we've tried out before. There's also a drinks maker and a French fry one using bread. Ugh. But I would have loved one of these as a kid. I need to thoroughly wash it because there's dirt and a couple of hairs on it. Probably wasn't the priority of the eBay seller to give this a thoroughly deep clean because they probably thought another kid was just going to want to play around with it, probably with plasticine. So I will give this a deep clean, and let's just build our confidence up by probably getting some plasticine and trying to just like shape some weird stuff. So I was going to do a dry one with some plasticine. I got some left over from the recent Barshans reunion shoot that we did.
Yeah! Am I winning? I'm so distressed.
In fact, I was playing with it at the table about a week ago. Turns out we've got no Play-Doh or plasticine in the house. Our kids are just too old for it now. The plasticine was given to a friend of the family the other day because they would enjoy it more. I personally would love plasticine. I love it. Right, we'll just try it. We'll stamp bread. Right. So this is going to be our version of Play-Doh. Let's push down and see if we can make some tomato bread, some cheese bread. Sounds quite nice. And some gherkin bread. And there we go. Okay, so that is basically going to be what they do. It's a bit delicate. Oh my gosh. This looks like a set of frog eyes. Oh, you can just about see the star indent on that. Okay. Oh, that's awesome. That's actually also quite high. Like, that's going to be an unnecessarily large burger. So I've hand cleaned this. Don't want to ruin any labels. Who knows where it might end up. Well, like the McFlurry maker, that will be given away to one of my patrons, but I still can't believe that there is not plasticine or Play-Doh around our house. I'm going to keep hunting because I want to see what that looks like. However, just to give me a little bit of confidence, I want to see, I'm just going to pour Rice Krispies through this and wind it through and just see, well, how it all works before we shove beef mince in there, all right? Because trying to get that out once it's in there is going to be a right nightmare. And these could all fall through. Oh, actually, it's not. And I've got my plunger, which you would push it through. Okay. But I've not, if I just wind this. Oh, no. Oh, no, it's going to need some encouragement. It's not coming down. Maybe slight, oh, they're right wedged in there now. Oh, no. Oh, there we go. That's done something. Oh my gosh, something just snapped. Ooh. Ah, there we go. It's all getting built up inside here. I have ground them down. Oh, do you know what? I think we're just gonna have to do the beef and just see what happens. I actually think that'll work better than that. So is there like hundreds of kids around the world that are like, yeah, Rice Krispies didn't work in it, so just put it on eBay. Nice. Okay, so right here we've got some beef mince, salt, mixing this together. I don't need anywhere near this amount. Oh, one bit of good news, I figured this out, well I think I have anyway. This purple bit is just the handle, so we would wind it down. So at the moment the window is closed, but if I pull it forward, it should churn into this little catchment area here and give us, if we pop it out, a lump of beef that we can then shape into the patty. Let's just put some of that in there. I'm really scared, folks. I don't know how well this is gonna go. That should be enough. Get our plunger ready. Okay, it feels like there's a bit of give in that. A bit of tension here. So I'm keeping the McDonald's sign off because it gave me hardly any leverage whatsoever. I'm gonna put the spatula down here so it can hopefully land on it. That thing's going in. Right, I might have to look where you look because I cannot see it very well. All of that meat's gone. It's gone down way better than breakfast cereal. It's just not going. Why is it not going onto the... It's staying on that top part. Why won't you go down? I think I just need to keep loading it up. Because eventually it's got to just get so full in there. I'll tell you what, I'm forming some sort of crazy shaped burger in there if all else fails. Oh, there we go. Oh look, it's starting to come down. Oh, there. I might need all of that mince, by the way. Right, let me keep going. That's coming down now. Look at that. Oh, wow. Okay, and it's starting to press against the window, but it can't go anywhere. So if I pull that forward, see the dome is there now. Let's just see if it will fill that up. Oh, it's so close. It's like little bits on the window of it. It just doesn't want to fall through yet. I've got to keep... it's like the most painful Play-Doh machine ever. I've got to keep filling it up. Oh my gosh, we have actually got like the tiniest drop just come in. Oh, this is don't do this. Like, please don't try this. Oh, it's filling it slowly. Right, for reference, I have used 300 grams of beef mince now. Oh, look. Did you see it? I don't know if you even saw it because that might be in the way. That has, I think one more push. Oh, it's breaking. Something's cracking. Come on, mate. Oh, there's a little air gap I'm looking at, and that has just got it. I don't think you would have seen that, but trust me, hopefully, it's so hard for me to tell on my own, but there is definitely some in there. Look. We've done it. It's not perfect, but if we press it down, that's pretty much got to the top of it. Look at that. And I need to get the rest of that out because, well, I want to make another one. I won't put you through that. And also, I want to use it for spaghetti bolognese, probably. Of course, the other thing is we didn't have to have that thing in there at all. We could have just had the window and wound it directly onto the spatula, but I'm fairly certain that would go against the McDonald's hygiene standards. Speaking of which, clean. So I've cleaned it as best I can, but of course I still want to try and shape it. We have got this thing, and I'd imagine, I'm using a bamboo skewer here, the other mixture they had might have been slightly more fluid to pop out onto the spatula, but maybe, oh, there we go. Okay. Like a little meat sandcastle. Oh, wow. And we have to do the sound effects. 1 minute. Okay, is this gonna shape our burger? Oh wow, that's actually that has actually shaped it really. This is ridiculous. I'm having fun though. I gotta admit. There we go. I cannot believe. I mean, my backup option, if that failed and we didn't have to put like half a packet of beef mince in, literally have just stuck it in there. But we've used, like the apple pie maker, like the McFlurry maker before, we have used this machine, although it's not cooking it like that's implying, to shape our patty. I'm gonna fry those now. Smallest frying pan I've got. Let's place them in. The spatula is doing a great job. But a play spatula would melt very quickly here, so let's get these. I wonder how much they reduced down. When I did a mini burger, it was much smaller than this. Fantastic. They are cooking really quickly. Check these out. Oh, that's fantastic. I love how quiet the pan goes the minute they come out. All right, so here is a burger bun. The lid might need a bit more manipulation. It's actually ironic because the shape of the tomato entirely is the same as the patty. So if I just take one end and stick it there, I think this is going to be very much like one side that you see might look better than the other. And if I use that as a template and just trim around it, and if we put a tomato in it, you work better than the other bread, mate. Wow. So if I just roll that up, just kind of like smooth it a little bit, so we can potentially, let's just try this. Oh, yes, yes, yes. We have got a burger bun lid with an actual topping on it. I mean, it's not perfectly round, I can do another one, but just to show you, as a concept basic burger, that, with that on top. Yes. Somewhere there's a kid that's had this, it's crying, going, I wish I did this. And we've still got more to do. I'm gonna make a few more bases and tops because, well, we need to toast this. As the cleaned out machine looks on thinking, well, my time's done. Oh no, it's not. We still got to do ketchup and mustard out of that thing. Oh yes. And I don't think that's taken very long at all. Well, I can smell, oh. Ah, I can smell charring. Oh, look. Our tomato bread is lightly toasted. I will take that. I just found some green and red Play-Doh, by the way. Hopefully this isn't someone's birthday present. That should be enough. Let's just push this down. Oh, air bubble for satisfaction. Oh, wow. So, I don't know if gherkins are going to be as cooperative, but that looks really good. Push it down. Oh my gosh. We're going to do that with a real tomato, which is probably going to be very, very messy indeed. All right, they've been cleaned out, but the one that wasn't used yet was the cheese one. So I've got a nice slice there. Down we go. I'm feeling very confident about this one. Yes. Oh, look, that is so diddy and cute. That's awesome. I mean, it's taking cheese with holes in it to another level, isn't it? So that's a brilliant start. The next one, I think this is going to be all right as well. Oh, that was a good noise. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at that. That's amazing. It looks like a gherkin with sunglasses on. Oh, wow. That's worked. That's actually worked. And I only need probably those two. Yeah, there we go. That has actually worked fantastically. I'm going to do it again anyway, just because the noise is pretty cool. Ah, is that like the poo emoji, or is it just me? I'm just generally seeing faces now in this video. This is bizarre. This is the thing I don't think is going to work. I just feel like a tomato, although I'll go closer. Yeah. My only backup option is to slice right at the back here of the tomato. Actually, that's looking good. Oh my gosh. We'll use that bit. Some people always ask me, Barry, do you like script or rehearse your videos? If you cannot tell, no. So, we've got this. Let's go for this. Push it down. Ready? Oh gosh, what a noise. Oh! Look. That is fantastic. I can actually cut around that. I can cut, just in case you're wondering. It's got the star shape on it. We have got tomato, gherkins, cheese. We've toasted our buns. We've cooked the burgers. All we need now is the ketchup and mustard just to dispense it. I cannot believe that worked. Oh my word. I'm so sorry if this is a really random video. I mean, it's not quite as random as bread gloves. Give me some slack there, but brilliant. The real question for me now is, if I squirt mustard in here, is it gonna fall through? And I don't think it is. Oh, look at that. Yes. What are we doing? I'm having fun, I'm sorry. Sometimes I've got to be selfish. Let's build the burger. Okay, you know what? Actually, this is gonna be higher than the mini burger I did before. There is our toasted base, tomato indent optional. There is our patty, which I have to be completely honest, is a little cold now. Diagram on the box says cheese. Then tomato. Now, just off camera, I've actually sliced that in half to make it slightly thinner. Oh, look at that. And the gherkins. Oh, right. So now we can drench it in our mustard and ketchup. But from memory, obviously this is, I don't know why I'm overthinking this, but sometimes you'd have like ketchup smeared on the bun, wouldn't you? So what I think we'll do is we'll do ketchup on the base, and then for our lid, mustard on the top. And there we go. We've got the yellow and the red here ready to press that down. I do feel like these stickers were put on manually. They're very wonky. That was a kid in a rush. Decisions were made, folks. All I hope now is that I've lined this up properly. Let's just push this down. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. Come on. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's much more neater. So there we go. There's our ketchup base. I'm going to lift this now back on and then finish with our mustard hat. It looks very square, but in true McDonald's wrapping style, we've still got our wrappers. And does it all matter once it's all in there together? I'm sure there's some crazy way to do this. There we are, the Muck Mini. Oh, have I got to eat this now? It's a little bit like having kids. I don't know how something as tiny as that can cause so much mess in the house. Anyhow, I'm actually open-minded to this. I feel like ultimately all the key flavours are there. Let's go. That actually looks more like a burger now. Maybe that's what it is. It's all sort of been squished together. It almost tastes like you'd imagine a savoury, everlasting gobstopper from Charlie and the Chocolate Factory to taste. It's very chewy, but you've got all those flavours in there. The dominant one is the beef, the gherkins, and the ketchup. That's really punching the zing together with it. And it basically tastes like a mini McDonald's burger. I can't believe I finished it already. I think for me personally, this £8 bargain has probably brought someone's childhood dreams to life. Don't get me wrong, Rice Krispies and peanut butter in there would have been good. Making it with Play-Doh was blooming amazing. I mean, look at that tomato, that's awesome. But ultimately, it was a lot of fun. I do have another one on the way if you've missed the apple pie and the McFlurry video. If you enjoyed this, I don't blame you if you didn't, but check them out if you wish. If you've seen any other ones, I think there's a Subway one someone sent me a link to. Do let me know and I'll work my way through them from time to time. Thanks for watching, folks. And yeah, if today's video had a message, it would all be about muck portion control. See you later.